So guys, it's a bit windy. I'm just getting a vitamin D a little bit. I'm getting ready to go to the beach and to be in the city today. I really like this position. So I'm gonna have to go to other couple of beaches today just to finish the day in Mykonos and to have at least gone different places. So I enjoy this place, really, I do. So.
You took my mind out of space, something that I can't erase. Looks like I ran into trouble. Wish I just stayed on that night, mixing tequila with Sprite, and I had more than a couple. Now every time I think of you, I smile. Even if we're more than a million miles, you make me smile. You make me smile. It's getting way out of hand. This was not part of a plan. Tell me, where did you come from? It feels like just the other day when we had nothing to say, but now you keep me away.